Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a bed in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and craft a workbench. The way you do that, you just press tab on your keyboard to go ahead and open up Pocket Crafting. Then from here I want you to go ahead and click here on workbench. You just need 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone, and then I want you to craft this up. Once you have this crafted up, I want you to press F to open up this workbench, and then I want you to click on this icon right here. This is the crafting section, and I want you to go ahead and build this one right here. This is the furniture workbench. Now to craft this, you just need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 4 pieces of any stone. Click on craft. Then once you do that, just come here and press F on the furniture's workshop. And then I want you to click on this section. These are all the different bed options. As you can see right here, we can actually go ahead and make this Quebec bed. Just need 3 pieces of any wood, 4 pieces of plant fiber, and then you just click here on craft. As you can see, I have my bed right here. I'll just go ahead and place it here just to show you. There you go, and let's interact with that and set our spawn point. But that is how to craft a bed in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.